Hi friends, in this video we are going to see some more interesting things like being able to record your own audio. So how about instead of all these dialogues here, we can record our own audio in our own sound. Will that not be fun? So let's try to do something like that. We'll delete all the blocks by right clicking, delete block. Okay, let's stop it first and say delete block. Oh no, delete block. Oh, it's deleting only one at a time. Okay, let's delete all these blocks. Say right click and you have to delete all, right click and delete all the blocks. Okay, now both have just one single block called when green flag clicked. Green flag, this is a green flag. Okay, what we will do now is we will record our own sound. Go to sounds and say play sound, just drag and drop this and say record. I'll record a sound. We need by begin recording by you may have to give a permission to the browser to access your mic. There'll be a small dialog box, so you have to click on that. Say record. I'll say hello. Okay, so just make sure that the sound is playing properly. Say hello, hello, hello. I'll save it off and go back to code. Say recording 1. Hello. Okay, so this is the cat. Now the bat will say, I'll record one more sound. Record. Hello. 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 Okay, now. Hello. No, the bat did not say. Okay, we'll say. Hello. So both are playing at the same time. So again, what to do? We'll put a wait for the bat. Hello. Hello. Okay. So both the names are recording 1, but this recording 1 here is different from the recording 1. Both look same, but they're exactly this. But they look exactly the same, but they're different. Now we know how to play. We know how to show a dialogue. We know how to play a sound, but we must not forget something very important, which is saving the project. So what you do is every time you finish your work, click on save to your computer. In fact, you should keep doing this regularly, otherwise you will lose your work. So give it a name. Do save this on the desktop. Say my scratch work, and try to put the date so that you can save. Like today's date is the day I'm recording the video is 14th April. What is 14th April in date? 1404. That's all. We all know we are in 2020. No need to put the year. My scratch work 14_04. This is called underscore. It is below the minus sign. Shift minus you have to do, right? So do save. And so what have you learned in the introduction? Now if you want to move the cat continuously, then you can move it like this. Delete this block. Now hello. So this is the bat moving. Similarly, you can move the cat. How do? You go to control, go to forever, go to move 2 steps. Okay, both are moving to the right. Now suppose if you want to make the bat move towards the cat, then you have to say minus, negative. Do you know number line? If you go to the right, the number increases on the number line. If you go to the left, the number decreases. So if you have to decrease, you have to put a minus sign. Now both of them will go towards each other. Okay, yeah. So we can also do something when they both touch each other. Okay, then we can also increase their size. Go to looks and say change size by 10. So as the bat is moving towards the cat, it will start increasing little by little. So make it 2. Okay, and you can change the size from here also. It is 150, make it 100. Yeah, change size by 10 is good. Okay, see, oh, bat is becoming really big. Let's make it 3 and reset the size to 100 in the little text box here. Okay, so something interesting. All right, save off your work, learn to save your work, and then, like I showed you on the desktop, and that's it. So with this knowledge, you can try to make your own stories. You can try to think up of different types of stories between different types of animals. Make a story in which they move around. They don't not only move, they run after each other. They move around, or they say some dialogues to each other. Okay, maybe you can take the dialogue between a bear and do you have a tiger? Oh, bear and a dinosaur. Okay, dinosaur one, dinosaur two. They are both talking, or a dog and a cat. We can do that also, or a fox and a dog. You can create a kind of a story. Think of a nice story, and you should be able to make your own story, not only copy what has been done today. All right. Thanks for all. Thanks all.